Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So in this video I want to have a quick update for Cardano. Wasn't really planning on making this video, but as I was going through the coins, this is one of the coins that I regularly cover on this channel, and haven't really talked much about it in recent times. So I want to just bring you a quick update on Cardano, and I think this might be a good time, especially we are getting out of this down channel that I created in the previous video, and I was talking about the selling pressure was drying up. This is where I was saying that if the selling pressure dries up, we might see some momentum on the upside, and we kind of had that nice up leg around August 17th, but then the overall market declined, and then Cardano also sold off with it. We did not make the near lows, so I had a little bit more of a sideways action, and now finally we're trying to get out of that this lower base pattern, if you will, and hopefully we can have a little more room to run toward 11 cents and then around 12 cents mark. Okay, so right now for Cardano, couple of things to keep that in mind. We want to make sure the price action stays over the today's low. So the today's low is right around 0.0915. So if the price action stays over that mark in tomorrow's trading, then we can definitely see some follow through action in Cardano. It will take us to around 11 cents and near by this sometime in this later part of the week. That is expected if we can stay over today's low in Cardano. All right, just because the people who wanted to sell Cardano, I mean, there have been some heavy selling in Cardano, and now the selling power has dried up. Just like I have mentioned previously on the videos, on the upside, when the buying power dries up, same concept applies on the downside. When selling powers dries up, the remaining one will be the buyers. People will see opportunities and people will see value in the coin, and that's the time, that's usually a very good time to jump in. So if you're getting in, maybe go with the smaller price action or a smaller position, or go with the stop losses. I can see some nice move coming up, and a lot of the coins actually, I see a lot of and the main reason behind that is the negative news that we had last week regarding the SEC denying the ETF for Bitcoin, and we did not make the newer lows in the market. That really tells you that all the negative news that you can think about, right, at least for right now, have been baked into the price action for near term. So that's a very good indication. And now what we will see is some people who have been just sitting on the sideline with a bunch of cash, they will be like, okay, let's get in before the train leaves, and a lot of people will jump on it, and that will create some momentum effect on the upside. It will also create the short squeeze. People who have been waiting for the market to go further low, they will have to close their position, because now this market is going against them 4 or 5% on the average. So they won't be able to keep those short position for very long, and that will create more pressure toward the upside, and the price action will naturally go in the north direction. Okay, so as far as the resistance goes, the first level of resistance is gonna be around 11 cents, then that will be 12 cents for Cardano. I have said it before, I'm gonna say it again, Cardano do have a good team of people working behind the project, so I do believe in they have they have a good thing going on. So always look at the team that is working on the project, not just the white paper. So that will give you a lot of clarity as far as how realistic is the project. Just because you have a good white paper doesn't mean anything. Okay, so just remember that team behind the project is very important, because those people will have to work hard to implement it, the project. So and Cardano is one of those projects that have a good team. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. As far as like the longer term, I mean, I honestly don't want to give some longer term pictures right now until the market stabilize. Okay, until the market stabilize, I don't want to talk too much about longer term, how we are going to what are some of the levels that we might see in December 2018. Just because market hasn't stabilized right now, we are getting out of the down channel doesn't mean that we have all the negative things that were talked about happen is done. We have to wait and see. We just have to see how people are reacting to this price action. Are they selling toward the target level, or are there are more buyers coming in to this point? So we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, so treat the market a little bit skeptical at this junction, even though we are seeing some gains in the market today. It's not all out of the woods yet. Okay, that's all I want to say. Talk to you soon.